Hello friends, welcome to another session of LeetCode problem solving. In this session, we're going to solve a problem. We're given two strings, source and target, S and T. We want to check if S is a subsequence of T. And the property of subsequence is defined as, let us suppose S is A, C, E and T is A, B, C, D, E. If all the characters of the source appears in string T in the same relative order, it is a subsequence. So C comes after A, E comes after E. So C comes after A, E comes after C. So S is a subsequence of T. If it comes as A, E, C, if S is A, E, C, then it's different. Order is different, so this is not a subsequence. Also, an empty string S is a subsequence of target string T. So this is the definition of the property of subsequence. So the LeetCode solution talks about a recursive solution which uses stack space, and many of the users have contributed the solution. Programmers, they've submitted solutions as recursive or a two-pointer approach, which is the most optimized. It uses order of n time complexity and constant space. So I did not find the perspective of using iteration and extra space. So I thought I would code it and submit it as a different perspective, as a different approach, even though it is suboptimal to the two-pointer approach that many users have already submitted in C++, Python, and other programming languages. So I couldn't find this approach. So hence I submitted this. If you have access to LeetCode, please check my solution as well, and let us see how my solution works through iteration with an order of n time complexity and an order of n space using extra space. So let us look into the code. So public boolean is subsequence string S string T. So before we start coding, the main idea or the algorithm of this approach is we're going to convert the string S into a character array, store it into a character array, and then we're going to create a queue. Because this character is primitive, we're going to store it in a queue of characters, and then we're going to iterate over string T to see if any of the characters are in the same order of what is stored in the queue. Because queue is first in, first out, it is going to store exactly the way we populate the order. It's going to maintain the relative order of insertion. That's the property of a queue or a linked list. We're going to look into the code. So first step is character array chr is equal to s dot to char array, and then going to declare a queue of character equal to new linked list, and we're going to iterate for int I is equal to 0, I less than chr dot length I plus plus. We're going to populate the queue. So queue as characters
q is the variable.